Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. In today's video, I am doing a DIY and creating these elegant and gorgeous candle holders. This was my inspiration I found on Pinterest, and I wanted to recreate it yet put my own spin on it. So I purchased 3 clear containers. You can find these at the Dollar Tree. You can find them at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, about any craft store. And I also purchased some rope to wrap around the bottoms. I found some jewelry making pieces that were in a summer pattern. I found a shell and 2 anchors. They were at Michael's and they were about $7 or $8 each, but they were 40% off. So I decided to use those instead of the starfish. And I found that cutting the rope works best with pliers. I also decided to use a hot glue gun because I think it's easier if I want to reuse these glass containers to remove hot glue. So what I'm doing now is wrapping the rope around. I found it easier after I did the other 2 to go ahead and measure out the rope first and cut it before I use the hot glue on it. So that's what I'm doing now. So then I just kind of measure it out and then I take it off. And then I'm just going to put some hot glue on the container and wrap the rope back into place. I grabbed the shell that I bought and I ended up cutting the top of it off so that it looked just like a shell instead of a piece of jewelry. And then I decided where I wanted it on my candle holder and I secured it using hot glue. This project was very inexpensive, very simple, and it just adds a touch of summer as you walk in my doorway. I love to find easy DIYs. I love DIYs that look elegant and look classy and put together. So I hope that you guys will try this out or put your own spin on something similar. And I hope that I inspired you to create your own, and this is what it turned out like, and I think it just looks absolutely beautiful. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and click on the bell notification so that you can receive a message each time that I post, and please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today.